Yeah, I'm doing it now.
Bonfire wire, part 1.
Bonfire wire.
No, when the match ignites, bro, put it right next.
Luke's 50 firework.
Bonfire wire?
Took Luke a whole day to make this firework.
Took a day off?
Put it in a sickie.
You pulled a
Hang
sickie
on.
to get this?
Don't light it yet. Wait.
I can't even light it, right? No, bro, you just put it right next to it. As soon as it starts to burn, bro, then...
Bro!
Luke's firework.
Light two, you gotta
Use
Light
two,
it,
use
light
two
it.
matches, 2 matches.
I'm just...
2 matches.
As soon as you've lit it, I'm out. Just watch your feet because you don't want to trip up on this.
Fuck, I'm nervous, eh?
What? Yeah.
Oh, can you like shine on it? I just want to double check it.
Double check, he's doing the fire, you know, the last minute tweaking before we blow shit up.
Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Boom.
Bonfire wire, take 2.
Even this might become an ad.
28. Next minute.
Oh, wait.
Oh, because your teeth, bro. No, you gotta burn past that tape, bro. Yeah, the plastic's burning now.
Get back, get back.
Back up.
Back the fuck up.
Turn your lights off, bro.
Turn up.
Oh. Oh.
It's gonna be magic.
Yeah, bro. All the fuel's burning.
Yeah. Nice.
Holy shit.
I was impressed.
Just hope that didn't cause the cops to come around.
Smoke.
It'll go longer than that.
Look, check it out, bro. I've got a lightsaber now.
I reckon it's bad, eh? Like, everyone will be like, fuck, is it the fireworks show?
Yeah, bro.
I understand, it will look like that, eh? Fuck, was that bad, bro?
Maybe that's
I'm
bro.
impressed.
Fell down, eh?
Yeah. Oh, that's alright.
Oh, but then it's good, bro. They would have stabilised it as well.
Fuck, you did a good job, man.
This probably would have been better. Like, oh, no, actually, no. It would have been
At least it'll burn, eh?
Fuck, they were not perfect, man.
Bro, you could see it because all the woods were burning. Then it just went.
Oh, slightly. I was watching the bottom and the top. It was going boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
boom, 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 boom,
Bro,
boom.
the whole thing was just burning on
And it was good because it was all
Bro,
going
you see
off.
the sky, bro, was just covered with sparkles.
Yeah, bro.
So what do you got to say to your creation, Luke?
Hey, you fucking king, man. America. Fuck yeah.
I thought it was longer than that.
Nah, because they all
Went pretty hard. It was loud, bro.
Bro, it mean, bro. Because that's what made it mean, because the whole sky just lit up. Got a bit bright at one point.
Oh, I almost got teary though. Cheer.
Honestly, Luke, that was the gangsterest shit ever.
The gangsterist, bro. The gangsterist.